This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this amazing builder's home. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Open floor plan. Very large with breakfast bar. Lots of cabinets and counter space, granite counters, spice racks. A chef's dream kitchen. Remote very large master bedroom, dual closets, double vanities, makeup area, jetted tub with separate shower. Upstairs is a bedroom with bathroom and closet but could be used as bonus room. Jack and Jill bathroom in between 2 bedrooms. Office or bedroom is away from the other bedrooms. Large living room with fireplace, high ceilings and lots of built-ins. Separate dining room. In-ground pool with fence around it. Large covered patio great for entertaining. Plenty of room in backyard that is fully fenced. Concrete area ready for a storage building or shop. Circle drive with lots of parking. Roof was put on in June 2022, new post out back in June of 2022, new paint outside 2021. For more information, review the details below.